Are you tired of the same old boring hairstyle, where your hair feels and looks something like this? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of finding your ideal hairstyle, so you can look and feel your best. It's time to say goodbye to bad hair days and hello to a fresh, new you. Let's waste no time and get straight down to business. Step 1. Before you can even start to choose a hairstyle you like, you have to determine your face shape. Your face shape has a huge impact on if a hairstyle works for you. There are many different face shapes, but in this video I will only go over the 6 most common ones. These determine for yourself under which category your face falls. I'll quickly go over the best practices for each face shape. The oval face shape is the most versatile one, and most hairstyles can work well with it. When you have a round face shape, the goal should be to create more angles and length in your face. You can do this with hairstyles that add height and volume. With a square face, you want to focus on hairstyles that soften your jawline and add height to your crown area. With a hard face shape, you want to add volume to your hair, and long hairstyles work really well with. For the diamond face shape, I also recommend trying to add volume to your hair. Step 2. Now that you know what your face shape is, the second thing to consider is your hair type and texture. I won't go into detail about every single hair type or texture because the video would simply become way too long. So figure out your hair type and texture and keep this in mind when choosing your hairstyle. Step 3. Now that you know everything about your face shape and hair type, it's time to look for some inspiration. Everybody has a different style and taste, so it would be hard for me to tell you what hairstyle would really suit you. It should be your own journey and process. Don't worry, I'll show you the way. For finding inspiration, I would recommend using Pinterest. Search up a lot of different hairstyles and save the ones you like the most to a board. Once you have a nice collection of ideas, you're going to start filtering down to what could work for yourself. This will take some creative thinking and imagination. Secondly, I would recommend looking at what hairstyles your favorite celebrities are rocking or have had in the past. Same rule applies. Try to see what they have done and see if you can mix and match their hairstyles with your own situation. You can also always ask your barber or hairstylist for advice on what to do with your hair. Just make sure that you experiment until you found a hairstyle that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Well, that's it for today, gentlemen. I wish you good luck on your journey to finding your perfect hairstyle. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other videos.